Consider the expression -6 times the quantity 5 plus a -2. In part A, let's evaluate it first by working within the brackets. So to work inside the brackets, let's add 5 plus -2, which gives 3. And -6 times 3 is a -18. In part B, evaluate it by using the distributive property. So here, instead of performing what's in the brackets first, we're going to distribute this -6 to each term through multiplication. -6 times 5 is a -30, and -6 times a -2 gives a +12. Now, adding these terms gives -18. Lastly, in part C, why must the answers in parts A and B be the same? Well, that's because for all real numbers, the distributive property will yield the same result as the order of operations does.